The Samsung Galaxy A17 is an exciting addition to Samsung's mid-range lineup, expected to officially launch in late 2025. It aims to strike the perfect balance between affordability and performance, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a reliable smartphone without breaking the bank. The device features a vibrant 6.8-inch Super AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, offering an immersive experience whether you're scrolling through social media, gaming, or streaming content. This upgrade in display quality puts the A17 ahead of many competitors in the same price range. Powering the device is Samsung's in-house Exynos 1380 chipset, which delivers solid performance for everyday use, multitasking, and even moderate gaming. The phone is available in two memory configurations, 6GB or 8GB of RAM, and storage options of 128GB or 256GB, both expandable via microSD. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the versatile triple-camera setup on the rear, which includes a 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, 4 sharper, more stable shots, an 8MP ultra-wide lens for capturing landscapes or group shots, and a 5MP macro lens for detailed close-ups. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera handles video calls and selfies with clarity. The Galaxy A17 also packs a generous 5,000 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last a full day of use, and it supports 25W fast charging to quickly get you back to 100%. Additional features like 5G connectivity, NFC for contactless payments, Bluetooth 5.3, and a side-mounted fingerprint scanner enhance the overall user experience. With a sleek design available in multiple color options and One UI 6.1 based on Android 14 out of the box, the Galaxy A17 feels modern and polished. Priced at around $200, it offers exceptional value for money and is poised to become a popular choice among students, young professionals, and anyone looking for a dependable smartphone without the flagship price tag.